Oh, that's a bit interesting. It seems for whatever reason there seems to be water.
Bruh.
This is odd. Why are there droplets of... I don't know if the camera can capture it.
Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we talk about technology from the past, present and future. And today we're going to be looking at a video of me unboxing my Bambu Labs P1S. Now the irony is, when I bought my Bambu Labs P1S, more or less a couple of weeks later the P2S got released, and it was like I died of a million stab wounds, and nothing you can do about it. It is what it is. I wish I did have a P2S, but I've got the P1S, and you know, we're going to discuss that a little bit later anyway, regarding the merits of you know, both those machines. I'm happy with the P1S. You know, when I bought it, it was a top tier printer, and I still believe it is a top tier printer. It might be slightly eclipsed by the P2S, neither here nor there. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing of my P1S and how it went kinda wrong.
Okay, so this is my bundle for my Bambu Labs P1S. I've got the Bambu Labs P1S here, the AMS2 Pro, and a box of goodies with all the filaments and other little bits and pieces that might be required for setting up the printer. So let's get started on the unboxing. Right. We will set up the AMS last, but let's open this printer. This has been sitting for a few days now in the corner, and I've been just waiting for the right time to do an unboxing video. Right, I don't know if you can see from that, but you've got some bubble wrap here. Let's take the bubble wrap out. Foam inserts. And I'm guessing this is the printer packed very, very well. And I guess I'm going to have to lift this, but I'm going to just check the weight of it first. Lift! Oh, that's a bit interesting. It seems for whatever reason there seems to be water.
Bruh.
This is odd. Why are there droplets of... I don't know if the camera can capture it. Yeah, you see? Water. That will need a drying out before I can even... That's not a good sign. That's odd. Wow, there's water. Didn't expect that. Don't know why there's water in there.
Right, welcome back, and basically you saw that there was moisture inside the printer. Now, you know what, it's easy to blame Bambu Labs and say, oh, you know, X, Y and Z regarding their printers, they shouldn't happen. Moisture is moisture. When something gets is contained and it, you know, is heated up and then cooled down, moisture forms in everything, more or less, you know. They did go to the trouble of putting silicone like moisture bags in there, but what the problem is, when they collect too much moisture, an oily residue seeps from the moisture bag, and that's what kind of spoils the printers. And I believe that's what's happened. In the next video, I mean, sorry, before I talk about the next video, I was going to say I did put the Bambu Labs overnight in front of a dehumidifier, and I thought that might fix the problem. It didn't. The oily, because it's an oily residue, it's not going to, the dehumidifier isn't going to affect it. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about the returns process of returning a Bambu Labs and how long the turnaround is. And you know, so you know, there's a good reason to watch the second video. These things do happen, but when things go wrong, the merits of a company is how do they deal with the issue. And you know, in the end of the day, it must have gone well, because I've got my Bambu Labs printer here and I've been playing with it, not as much as I'd like to because I haven't had the time, but we're gonna, in future videos, we're gonna hopefully have a deep dive into my Bambu Labs P1S and the AMS2. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'm gonna see you soon.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.